This is the Huawei Freebuds Pro 5, and honestly, I wasn't expecting to be this impressed. Because on paper, yeah, it checks all the boxes. But the moment you put this in your ears, it's a completely different conversation. So, let's talk about it. No flap, just a real talk. Quick look at what's in the box: the charging case, the earbuds, 3 sizes of silicone tips, and a user guide. That's it. Clean, no filler. But the moment you hold the case, you already feel where your money went. Soft finish, seamless hinge, and the earbuds themselves have this diamond-cut oval with the Huawei Sound logo in gold. First impression, it's definitely premium. And that premium feel carries through to how these actually sit in your ear. Huawei analyzed over 10,000 plus ear samples to engineer the ideal fit. The buds are 10% smaller and 6% lighter than the previous generation. And you feel it, hours in, still comfortable, no pressure, no fatigue. That's the goal, and they nailed it. Now, the noise cancellation. This is where it gets interesting. Huawei calls it dual-engine AI noise cancellation, and there's actual substance behind that name. There's a new MIMO AI model running inside that reads ambient noise changes in real time and adjusts the ANC response on the fly. We're talking 9 noise reads per second with a processing delay of just 8 microseconds. The result? Noise cancellation improved by up to 220% over the last generation, and in real use, you feel every bit of it. So if you're in metro, mall, construction outside your window, it will all gone. And your voice on calls stay clear even in noise up to 100 decibels and winds up to 10 meters per second. No more hunting for a quiet corner to take a call.
Alright guys, so this is the microphone test of Huawei Freebuds Pro 5. Okay, so I'm here actually in my kitchen, and let's see, or let's hear if the microphone of Freebuds Pro 5 is worth the price. Again, sound check, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So guys, what do you think? Let me know in the comment section below.
Sound is where the Freebuds Pro 5 really separates itself from the crowd. Each earbud has 2 dedicated drivers, an ultra-linear dual magnet driver handling bass all the way down to 10 Hz, and an ultra-thin microplanar diaphragm driver reaching up to 48 kHz for the highs. Add in dual DSPs and dual DACs working in sync, and what you get is music that actually breathes, layered, wide, and textured. And if you're on a compatible Huawei device, L2HC 4.0 gives you 48 kHz, 24-bit lossless wireless transmission at 2.3 megabits per second. Wireless audio that actually sounds wired. The spatial audio though, this is the part I keep coming back to. It's not tied to specific Dolby Atmos content. It's unlimited spatial audio, full 360-degree immersion with real head tracking across all content on any device. Video, gaming, a random Spotify playlist, the soundstage wraps around you and moves with you. Once you experience that, standard stereo feels flat. And the practical stuff, because this matters. IP57 dust and water resistance, not just sweat resistant. We're talking full protection against rain, splashes, and the gym. Wear it anywhere, don't think twice. Battery-wise, 9 hours on a single charge with ANC off, 6 hours with ANC on, and the case brings the total up to 38 hours. A full week of commuting covered before you even think about charging. So here's the honest take. The Freebuds Pro 5 is built for someone who's done settling. Done settling for ANC that only cancels some noise, then settling for audio that's decent, then settling for fit that just sort of works. If you want a flagship experience, real ANC, real sound quality, real spatial audio without paying the Apple or Sony tax? This is the answer. So if you're interested, purchase link in the description below. If this helped, you know what to do. Follow for more for honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.